Hi everyone, in this video, I'll teach you how to change country or region in your Google Play Store. Don't you worry, this will be quick and easy, so let's go ahead and begin. Okay, so first we're just going to open the Play Store. Once you've opened, you will see this screen, and on the top right corner of your screen, you will see your profile. Let's go ahead and tap it. Once you've tapped on it, you will be seeing this information as for your profile. And on here, the one we're looking for is the payment and subscription. Let's go ahead and tap it. Once you've tapped on it, you will be transferred to this screen. And on this screen, the one we're looking for is the payment methods. Let's go ahead and tap it. And once you've tapped on it, you'll be transferred to the payments methods, in which you will see the registered payment methods you have. But the one we're looking for here is the setting, more payment setting. All you have to do is to scroll down for a little bit, and you will see it in the more options. Let's go ahead and tap it. Once you've tapped on it, you'll be transferred to the Google Chrome so that you can gain access for more payment methods. Once it fully loaded, you will see this screen, the Google Pay, and for the next step, we're just gonna tap on the three-line icon at the top left part of the page. Let's go ahead and tap it. Once you've tapped on it, the next step is by tapping on the settings. Let's go ahead and tap it. And once you've tapped on it, you will be transferred to this screen. Once you're in this screen, as you can see, the country or region setting, all you have to do is to tap on the pencil right next to it. And once you've tapped on it, you will see this information that you need to create a new payments profile when you move to a new country or region. All you have to do is to tap on create new profile. Once you've tapped on it, you will have to confirm and tap on continue. And once you've tapped on continue, you'll be transferred to this creation screen. All you have to do is to choose the country or the region that you'd like to transfer to or change into. For this video, I'll just pick Antarctica as an example. And once you've picked a country or a region, all you have to do is to tap on continue. Just wait for it to fully load. And as you can see, you will be transferred to this screen and you need to fill out this information, such as the address and the city. And once you're done, all you have to do is to tap on submit. And there you go. That's it for this video. I hope this video helped. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, ring the notification bell for you to be updated for newly uploaded tutorials. And I'll see you in the next video.